Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Grabe ang init ng araw. So it's still summer here sa Taiwan. And maybe next month by October medyo malamig-lamig na ang panahon. But today I'm here sa may north coast. So today I took the bus 716 or the Taiwan bus going to Yellow Park. Right now, this is our first stop, the Fukui Cape Lighthouse. And grabe ang tahimik, parang walang tao. Ako lang ata nandito. Or kasi medyo mainit, kaya ganon. So this is the area. Ayan. So mukhang malayo pa. Actually, friends, even though you're alone dito sa Taiwan, don't worry kasi safe naman siya. So yung mga nasa balita na ganun-ganon, parang mga isolated case lang, but actually napaka-safe ng Taiwan for everyone. Especially sa mga girls na hindi uso yung parang mga nab-nab. Hindi uso yung mga krimen, mga ganon. Pero syempre meron din, but not too many. Okay. Yan friends, so nandito pa rin tayo sa lighthouse and grabe ang hangin. Ang ganda ng scenery, look. See, that is the Lau Mei Beach. Yan. Ayun, may mga nagsiswimming ata doon or ay hindi. May mga nagsiswimming nga. But since the water, look at naman yung niya. But since the water's current is parang hindi siya suitable for swimming dito sa my area na to. So you'd better go to the Paisawan Bay na lang. So yun, one ride lang from here going down na siya, going back to Taipei. Mas ata doon, mas maganda mag-swimming. Hindi na ako bumaba doon kasi masyadong mainit and I wanted to check some areas. So friends, I've been walking for how many minutes na, and I still can see or I still can find the lighthouse. I don't know where the lighthouse is. Puro water lang nakikita ko. Grabe ang init. Ay, hindi ko na alam ano itsura ko dito sa video na to. But anyways, yan friends, kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure na you're gonna wear comfortable shoes. And mas maganda kung aalis kayo ng maaga kasi para hindi masyadong mainit. There! The lighthouse! I can see it na. Ang layo pala nito. So friends, it's no admission, so you can freely go inside. So we're done with the lighthouse, the Fugui lighthouse. So right now I'm back here at the bus stop. We will go to the Lau Mei Green Reef, and it will gonna take around 3 minutes if you take the bus, and then 13 minutes if you will gonna work, and then 13 minutes if you will gonna walk from here. But since the temperature, look at this, it's around 32 degrees na. It's already 11:30 in the morning, so it's better to wait for the bus kesa sa himatayin tayo doon, di ba? First, meron kayo makikitang ano dito, right in front of the bus station, merong temple. Ayun, papasukin nyo lang, and doon yung susundan nyo lang yung ano, ayan yung mga araw-araw. Now friends, papasok ka sa mga bahay-bahay. Hindi man bahay-bahay, I mean yung mga kali na puro bahay.
Turn right.
Just follow these and you will be able to arrive at the Lau Mei. Friends, don't step on it, okay? So, okay, we're here. Ta-da! There's no people, only me. Okay. So, doon tayo nang galing kanino. Kung diniretso ko lang pala yung beach area, I will be able to come here, kaya pala malapit lang. Come on, let's see. If ever na pupunta kayo rito, be careful with the tide, kasi kapag high tide siguro medyo aabuti na hanggang doon sa taas yung paa nyo dyan, sa mga bato-bato. Baka madala pa kayo ng maalon. And I think napakalalim ng water, so be careful pag nandito kayo. Check also with the yung wave niya, yung current niya. Just be careful when you're here. We're done with the Lau Mei Green Reef. Medyo hindi kita yung ano yung pagka-green ng mga bato, because of maybe it's summer. Siguro mas maganda kung pupunta kayo dito pag mga winter time para kitang-kita yung mga algae, yung mga ganon. friends, grabe. Grabe yung gutom ko. Sobrang init. So, ngayon, nag-stop muna ako. And I will gonna eat. Oh. Ayan, bumili ako ng Taiwan sausage. Kain muna tayo. Sobrang init. Matagal pa naman yung bus. So, I bought this for 40 NT. Ang init ah. Rice sausage for 30 NT. Pwede na. Walang lasa. Yung friends, always check the bus timetable, what time sila dumarating. Kasi bihira lang yung mga bus na dumadaan dito sa may North Coast. So like dito sa bus na to, 863 or 716 every hour ata yung dating niya. Grabe yung hair ko. Sa sobrang hangin. Grabe ang tigas. Buti na lang pala nakasombrero ako. Kasi hindi nahalata. Ente. Grabe ang init. Wala akong tissue. Grabe pawis. Hi friends, so we're here now at Tiaoshi bus station. And grabe, ang daming tao. So right now, kakain muna ako before taking a photo or taking a video. Kasi gutom na ako. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Kumain lang ako ng nag-snacks lang ako kanina nung ano ba tawag ito? Yung Taiwan sausage. So right now, I will go to the what's this? Jaime Cafe. Ito yung sikat na rito. Na hindi naman sikat, yung viral na coffee shop in front of the Tiaoshi bus station. So ito yung mga may-ari. Dalawa silang older people. 就有位置吗？啊，好，谢谢。 Hi friends, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa may coffee shop. And din, umorder muna ako ng food kasi talagang gutom na ako. I'm really hungry. So, mango, smoothie, and 1 pizza for our lunch. It's good. Perfect for summertime. And ang cute ng ng view.
路过就拍一下没，就不用钱。
Youngsters, so we're done taking our lunch and na-enjoy na natin yung view ng Tiaoshi stop. So right now, we're heading back to dun sa may Ximendong. Hindi ko siya napuntahan kanina, and I think that will be my last stop for the day because masyado nang mainit. So let's go to the bus station and head back to Ximendong. Friends, so there's if you don't want to go to Tiaosu kasi iba yung niya, yung kanyang bus, hindi 716. Actually, you can take a picture in other station, bus station, kasi magaganda yung bus station niya and halos magkakahawig din lang. Like this one is in the Ximendong. This is our last stop, the Ximendong. And this is a picture area. Yeah. So friend, this is the last stop of our North Coast tour here in New Taipei City. So for those of you who are coming here, you can take this tour only by bus. Just go to Tanshui Station and then take the bus 716. If you will go to the Liaomei, what else, Ximendong, and then straight to Yelio. But if you will not go to Yelio and then you want to go to Tiaoshi Station, you can drop here sa may Ximendong and then take the 863 na bus. Hindi dumadaan yung 716 doon. And reminder lang friends na yung 716 na bus, it takes siguro mga lang siya, every 2 hours isa lang yung kanyang yung kanyang bus. So better prepare and then better check the bus schedule. And then yung 863 naman kasi medyo matagal din ang iikutan kasi sa loob siya, hindi siya nag-highway. So yun friends, so you can check what areas you want to go para doon na lang kayo bababa, and then you can also time your visit. So, thank you for coming with me today, and grabe, mainit na panahon. So, ngayon babalik na tayo ng Taipei and sa may Tanshui Station. So, thank you guys for coming with me, and I hope na magkita-kita tayo dito sa Taiwan in the future. Thank you! So, this is your friend, Jaja Yang from Taiwan with Love. Bye! Inom kayo tubig!